Namaste to all the students. Kushro Bitiya, myself Javin Dr. Kushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about mitosis division, and especially we will focus on prophase stage of mitosis. So what do you understand by the mitosis process? So mitosis process is basically a process where daughter cells have similar number of chromosomes in comparison to mother cell. Here we can see the cell cycle where G1 phase, first gap phase, cell is doing its everyday job. Then it goes to the S phase, then G2 phase, then it goes for the mitosis division. This is the parental cell, and further after the completion of M phase, it will make two daughter cells after each mitosis division. If we discuss about the major processes of cell division in eukaryotes, so there are two types of mitosis cell division process. First is mitosis, second is meiosis. In mitosis process, it is the process by which the genetic material of eukaryotic cells is duplicated and distributed during the cell division. And in case of meiosis, the form of the cell division by which gametes with half number of chromosomes are produced. So this is known as meiosis process. And mitosis is the process by which a cell which is previously replicated each of its chromosomes separates the chromosome in its cell nucleus into two identical sets of chromosomes, each set in its own new nucleus. It is a form of nuclear division generally followed immediately by cytokinesis process, which makes two separated cells, and mitosis and cytokinesis together define the mitotic M phase of the cell cycle. Next, it takes place in only somatic cells, not in gamete cell. Variations exist between different organisms. If we talk about the high plants cells, so spindles has no centrioles or asters at the poles. In animal cells and lower plant cells, complex will be present, and plant meristems need to study. And these are the phases of mitosis process. First of all, cell will go under the interphase stage. After the completion of interphase, it will go into prophase. After that, prometaphase, then metaphase, then anaphase, and then telophase. After the completion of telophase, nucleus will be divided, but cell not will be divided. Cell will be divided with the help of cytokinesis. So complete mitosis division and cytokinesis completely known as the mitotic M cycle. Yeah, cell division cycle. Now concentrate on prophase stage. So prophase in the prophase stage, appearance of the chromosomes in the starting as thin thread like, so it they are known as chromatins in the nucleus. Next, condensation will be started, folding will be started of chromatins, and they will look like bundle like structures. Now they are known as chromosomes. Cells will be refractile, viscous in comparison to previous, and nuclear membrane will start to disappear, nucleolus will start to disappear, and centrosome will make two centrioles which moves towards their respective poles. This is the diagrammatic representation where we can see nuclear membrane will start to break down, chromosomes will start to condense, nucleolus start to disappear, nucleolus disappear, chromatin condenses into chromosomes, separation of centrosomes, formation of mitotic spindles. Mitotic spindles will start to make, and centrioles migrate along with the ester's circular path towards the poles and until antipodal positions. So this is the sum up of prophase stage of mitosis, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.